How to climb out of the rat race. Downsizing, location change, new country. When figuring out how to stay busy is your biggest concern, still having goals and objectives will keep you healthy. We live in a time period where no one even knows what to look for. In the search of happiness and contentment, it seems the inclusion of nature is the answer. It seems very few humans find peace within. Human noise, me, 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 me. It's everywhere. Endless information bombarding us, highlighting the importance of our individuality. Are you really that important? When was the last time you were this close to nature? We have to stop separating ourselves from nature. Our physical and mental well-being depends on connecting with all other life. It is that simple.
Yeah, we seem to be in a time period with a lot of people being unhappy with their lives, with their financial situations, with their health, their mental well being, whatever it may be. There's lots of issues in the world right now. There's a lot of people trying to provide answers for what you should do when you feel this way, that you can't make your bills, you can't feel happy where you are, you're never really excited about life, all whatever you're facing. So when you're looking for answers, maybe the best way is to say to yourself, okay, what really makes a human being happy? What has made human beings incredibly happy in the past? So there's answers from our surroundings. And it always comes back to the inclusion of humans with nature. So humans are an integral part of nature. They're the most destructive, but still we're part of nature. And what happens to us is we think we're something better, or we disconnect ourselves from nature. We're not connected in a way that is meaningful. And the people that connect themselves with nature, involve themselves with nature, use nature to their advantage by providing food or whatever it may be, gardening. These people seem to be the happiest people on the planet. Is that coincidence, or is that, something that is they're breathing in like dirt that's just been cultivated? Is it them having a connection with all the life that's in the garden? Is it the fact that they are eating healthier, living healthier? There's many factors that are possible. But the separation from humans from nature is definitely not working for us. We have children that have no idea what nature even is. And that's going to be the next generation. That's going to be the generation that makes environmental decisions, makes, how do we grow our food, makes very powerful and worrisome decisions for us. So we need to include nature a lot more in our lives. We need to include nature a lot more in our mindset, how we deal with nature. We have to protect nature beyond anything you can imagine, because we're on this time scale where the destruction is exponential. And at one point, the only way nature will be able to heal itself, is by getting rid of humans. And most likely, that's going to happen. It could be very simple that we become infertile. It could be as simple that plant life, the seeds are not viable anymore. Well, we have no honeybees left. Whatever it may be, it's a very fine-tuned, toothed cycle that has to be protected and reversed. And if we don't do that, even including ourselves with nature will be very, very hard. You know, the future is basically based on us making right decisions now, not 100 years from now. We have to make good decisions right now. Nature has given us all these incredible tools and energies. Just think of a seed. Just think of the ability of, you know, water being purified again with land, the air being purified again. There's so much power, fish, you know, being able to populate the seas again. Everything is there. It's just up to humanity and humans and those that are in charge to understand that, you know, drastic changes are needed.